Hello, for today we're going to be working on goal number 3. By the end of 36 weeks, given visual, verbal, and model prompts, when given a word problem in which Reynaldo must add or subtract, Reynaldo will identify a variety of different keywords. Example, how many altogether, how many are left, in order to determine the operation and solve within 70% accuracy. So for today's assignment, you will be doing addition and subtraction, 27 weeks, both altogether, difference, how many more. And your worksheet should look like this. This should be your number 1. For goal number 4, Reynaldo must multiply or divide. Reynaldo will identify a variety of different keywords, example, twice, altogether, each, and share, in order to determine the operation and solve within 70% accuracy. So for his assignment, he's going to be working on multiplication and division, equal groups, how many, how much in each, and all, and share it equally. And your assignment, this should be your number 1. So this is it for your goal number 3 and goal number 4.